So anyway, the other day, I did a work barbecue. We have an annual barbecue cook-off. It's been going on 2 years, and for 2 years I have placed. Well, this year I actually won my what I entered, right? Several different meat, chicken, whatever. But so I get in this big I want a barbecue phase after this barbecue contest every year, and I saw this meat thermometer, this wireless meat thermometer. It's like $54 on Amazon. So let's open it up, see what's in it. So here is the actual thermometer. It runs on 2 AA batteries. Right. Put the batteries in. And it comes preset for chicken and beef and veal and all that, right? It also has a wireless, you can put an app on your smartphone, and 300 feet away it'll tell you, ding, your meat's done. Okay, nice instructions. It comes with batteries. And it comes with 1, 2, 6 probes, right? This is a reel for the cable. You don't want to stick that in your meat. So let's take the reel off. So I can stick this in my meat, in my smoker, or in my oven. Right now I've got a pork butt in the oven because it's raining. I want to go outside. So we're going to plug this in, and we're going to see when my meat is done today. Put probe 1 in probe 1. Yep, current temp 16 degrees. I probably ought to read the instructions to see how we get to the presets. Put in battery, install probe, download app, pair with phone. I guess I do have to turn it on the phone.
Okay.
Alright, so it was a free program. It was pretty easy. I just went on the iTunes and went to Easy Barbecue, and there was only one, and it pulled up, and as soon as I hooked it up it was free. It said press this button and bam, it fixed it. And then the settings are pretty simple. I set it to Fahrenheit, that's all I had to do, and then it's got, you know, a different tab for each one of the 6 thermometers, and I set it for the temperature I wanted, which is 160, right? And it tells me that my preset tip down here, the probe is 61 degrees, and then when it gets up to the temperature, it's going to beep. So I've had it cooking for an hour or so, and I put the probe in, and I didn't want it to touch metal, and I didn't want any exposed, so I get a true temperature value of the meat. And it's almost instant read, because I just stuck it in and bam, it said 101, and because I've had it out a second, that says 100. So I'm just going to put this back in the oven, right, and let's see how this goes. And I got my nice little rub on there, dry rub, and it's a secret, and I ain't going to tell you what it is, but we'll see what it tastes like. Alright, so it dinged, and let's see what we got. Alright. Oh, yeah. We're going to do chicken when this is out. Oh, yeah. These probes are not dishwashers. Woo! It's safe. So I'm going to have to clean it up. Alright, look at that. Yeah. That is definitely good stuff. And we're going to try chicken here in a minute. I'm going to wash that probe off and do it again with chicken.